Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited about this haul. I'm gonna upload this haul by itself because it's just super fun because I got 6 albums in this box. I finally caught up with my comebacks. Just really excited. So I'm actually gonna go straight in because I can't wait any longer. This box is from ktown4u. My favorite. Oh boy. Let me bring you down actually. So you have ateez. These are like my 6th copies, but they're all from group orders, so I just couldn't wait any longer. And then I have 2 copies of Saturday's album, and then both versions of ab6ix. I'm gonna start with Saturday, put all the boy groups together. I really love Saturday. I just had to wait to get their album because I was broke. I've actually already got 2 of the cards that I need. I'm gonna collect OT5. So I've already got 2 of the cards I need because I bought them. So I'm gonna pull those. There's 5 members and there's 2 photo cards per member. Oh my god, this album is literally the cutest. I've loved Saturday since they debuted, but they haven't had a physical until now. Oh my god, that is that's amazing. No. Oh my god. Oh what? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I've already got this card, but are you kidding me? I got 3 of it now. That's that's insane. And then I got Juyeon, and I don't have any Juyeon. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I can't believe I got 2 though. Like, that's crazy. I'll do a quick flip through as I doubt many people have seen this album. Oh man, that's not very good. This album just has Byung on it, I think. Yes, it just has Byung and the instrumental. I definitely recommend it as I've been listening to it absolutely non-stop. Then we'll start with the next one. My friends are roasting me about getting 2. But I can't seem to find many people selling their photo cards, and if they are, they tend to be a little bit expensive for a group with their first album. Oh my god. Right, okay, I'm really happy now. I finished Juyeon's set and I got Ayan. Literally, I'm so happy. Even though I got 2 of the card I already have, I can trade. Look at my pulls, they're amazing. I'm so happy about that. Okay, I need to calm down because I've got ateez coming up and that's not gonna go well either. We'll go to ab6ix next. I think there's so many unboxings for ab6ix, so I'm not going to do a flip through. We'll just go with this one. I collect Youngmin and Woong, so hopefully I get, you know, at least one. But I really like all of ab6ix. I was considering collecting all of their cards, but they're just so many. Like, they've got 8 cards each this comeback. It's ridiculous. And I already struggle with ateez. I really love this album actually. Blind for Love is just absolutely incredible. It's the same size and packaging as their last one, which I think is pretty cool. So I literally have no idea what these do. I don't know whose they are, but you know, that's nice. We got Donghyun photo card. I got a Woong! Okay, I'm really happy. These photo cards are thick. They're like thick. Nice. And whose bookmark did we get? It looks like Donghyun. Oh, and it is. I really love Donghyun. It really came for me this comeback. I just get these. And I'm gonna put this back and this back because I don't collect bigger things like that. Words. Youngmin with the orange hair literally reminds me of MXM era, and I just love him so much. This unboxing is such a mess. One sec, I'm gonna bring you down. I'm reaching. These matte covers are literally so nice. Okay, so we got another one of these things. We got Woong's bookmark thing, and then we got Donghyun's scratch card, and here is it. Daewee, oh wow. I never pulled Daewee. Oh, he looks really good. Am I gonna have to collect OT6? OT5. Oh my god, I think I might have to. No, I can't have it. No, but look at him. Oh man, I'm in a predicament now. Watch me upload a photo card collection video and collect OT5. I keep saying OT6 because of the name. Oh, that's why I forgot to put the photo. You know what, it's fine. I'll do that later. We're getting onto the real stars of the show here. So I ordered 4 copies, 2 of each version from a group honor manager, and then 1 more of each version from a different group honor manager for the MMT ones. And I was like, excuse me, and I was like, that's so long to wait. So I was like, I'll get 2 copies from ktown4u as well, because I'm absolute ateez trash, and also I need the photo cards because we all know I collect 58, and they decided to release an anniversary edition that also has random photo cards, which is amazing. So we'll start with this photo. Oh, it's so heavy. Alright, it's got bubbles on it. And here's the struggle. It's the same texture as episode 1, and that was such difficult to get out. Really, KQ. Aha. Okay, I'm so nervous. I haven't got any of the photo cards yet, so I'm literally just want anyone. Oh wow. Okay, once I need to concentrate. I think I got my baby boy Yosan. Ah! Oh, I love the group cards, to be honest, this time. I'm gonna cry. Look at him. No, I can't do this right now. I need to be professional. And then we just got the message, well, the code card. Looking, focus. Looking for star, looking for love, looking for, oh, cute. Okay, next I'm gonna put, no, I'll keep that. And look cute in my binder. This whole concept comes to me every day. What are these postcards like? I can't put them in the same place I did my last ones because they're now rectangle. Oh boy. Minky's hair, the best decision anyone ever made, just saying. Oh, there's no grip one. I usually put my grip ones in like a special place on my wall, but I guess there isn't one this time. Love that. Okay, next one. I'm not gonna lie, I love the white. Like, it's so like chic. Is this one gonna come off? I didn't do my own group order for these ones this time because I just got way too overwhelmed with like the Twice one and just life, because I was just starting uni. I started my second year of uni. I don't know, I just couldn't do it. And ateez was stressing me out. Oh, group one, yes. These are my favourite ones. Oh, clickbaited. I really love this photo card. Okay, this photo card, when I was looking at like the templates and stuff, just beautiful. Well, all the cards are beautiful because they're ateez, but we're gonna, this one, wow. And this is the group card for this one. I'll prefer this photo book, I think. The Absolute Kings. I love these boys so much. Wow, thank you for watching this haul if you stayed all the way to the end, because I know I'd find it difficult staying to the end of this if I was a viewer. But I've got all of these photo cards to put away. I might do like a photo card put away video. Look at this, like fat stack. You know what, I will watch out for that at some point. And yeah, so thank you for watching.